4-5 जना चागे pro Bible Jakub 5:13 na poriye haumliye Bible pro boy prakake.
Then all the elders they gathered and they have taken the Bible verse from James chapter 5 verse 13 and they placed their hands on the baby over the child and they started praying.
अब चलाई सिंगले शब्द में से लोकल मुक्ति कहाँ मारू सब है
Then the child suddenly got healed in the name of Jesus and see him, the child is totally all right now.
अब निम्मा फजे दूध दूर बनता है तो सब कुछ है
Then the parents who have been following the Buddhists as their god have left totally now, they have totally abandoned.
kalau yang nungse proses nimbang apa proses ya bisa
Yes, now now even to their parents they started telling that we should worship this God.
और दूध
60 rupees off,
मात्र 10 টাকা
only 10 rupees was left with me.
अब ईश्वर से प्रार्थना किया
Then I prayed to the Lord.
अनि नौथाने तनी हो सुकुली मात्र तुमको 6 किलोमीटर तुमको
Oh, then I have 6 kilometers left to my destination, to my village.
गाडी भाडा समेत 150-200 रिजर्भ छ रथांगा
Oh, car fare was 150 rupees and without reserve it won't go.
मात्र 10 টাকা
I have only 10 rupees at my hand.
अनि प्रार्थना किया
Then I started to pray to the Lord.
अनि प्रार्थना ईश्वर प्रार्थना yang मात्र
Then I believe that Lord has heard my prayer.
अब प्रार्थना के ang jokan nirupayong ang ani lama ba hiya ni masuru kaya
Then when I started to proceed to walk towards my home,
ai pulisnya na pulis driver pe sport ay
then just behind me my nephew came back with his cars and he started to give horn.
wah ai shot no atla
Then he started to give thanks to the Lord.
baru kali sama kita kaji ni ang muni mo tung financial
Come uncle, I will drop you now.
mereka tangga apa 10 টাকা 400 paya ईश्वर ni lang
10 rupees what is left in his hand he donated to the Lord, to the church.
aku raw jung aja kita mo tuma jung apa sih aja kebuyo oke jokan nirupayong po sa ibu ईश्वर tumai
Yeah, that is the meaning of the true born again. When Lord touches us and we change our hearts.
मुसी যখন ফরম হইতে তাইলে অন্য জায়গা থাকবো বড় সুবিধা
When Moses led the Israelites out of the Egypt and was about to cross the Red Sea,
যখন লুইতে সাগর মালিক
when they met this Red Sea, when they were facing towards the Red Sea,
আইবো জাং ফরম শুনে রুল থাকো
and we can also see that the Egyptian soldiers were chasing them.
아이고 비니 브로라서 앙중 포럼 치동 그래 하가만 아주 거스터 딸 포럼 바이 중 포타이 나야
We could have been better if we are still in Egypt than to die here.
저건 니르 바이 포 지서 사하
Then at that time the Lord told,
모신디 라타노 마카이동
"What Moses? What are you doing with that stick?"
아버 사고 보디
Then you hit that stick into that sea.
아버는 제니로 사고를 가다
Then we can see that sea divided into two parts, and the Lord provided a way.
아이고 모신이나
Then Moses led the Israeli out of the.
이셔디야서 아버는 중 지금은 니르 바이 포 오빠이 그비자이 중 이셔 좀 했던 거
Yeah. Even when we think that we do not have any other way, we feel that the circumstance that we have is so much burden to us. Lord is there with us, with all of us. We do not need to be disheartened.
아버는 지금 그 보이 바이 이셔너 시 그 보이 바이 이셔너 이다
That's why we need to fear Lord with a true heart, with trueness in our heart. We need to fear Lord with truth from our heart.
근데 때니 기사베시 락시티가 이게 너 엘리오 저번 강포 뭐 한디 마신 강포 엘리오
Oh, when Elijah went to one of the widow's woman,
아부 모이다바 아부 타우 사동어 아무 살패딩셔
then he said to the woman, "Please feed me with whatever is left, with that little amount of flour and the olive is left, with that little amount of flour and the olive oil."
아버라 나디마 부라리 기비야
Then the woman served Elijah whatever is left with her.
부라 사르팅 보사쌈
For 3 years, Lord provided and multiplied, and she blessed.
아리보 라디마 이쇼니 얼푸노 보시야
But the woman did not understand the the awesome blessings of God.
abo randik ma tadi sinan ba pan ro isor binim salanam tigya
Then the Lord wanted to discipline that woman, and He took the life of the woman's child.
ঈশ্বর যখন যিশু এলিও যখন বিনিম ছালার প্রতি ব্লকে প্রার্থনাকে বোঝা পারো গায়ে বুঝে এলিও গরিমান সিং প্রভু
Oh, then after that, Elijah prayed for that child by the power of God, and he came to life. Then after that, the woman started to realize that the Lord, the power of God on her.
ang asa way ko chinim chuyo
And I hope that our community,
sungjo dise je to mo isono risike
if whatever we have, if we submit to the Lord,
ঈশ্বর চুনা আশীর্বাদ দিনে
He will bless us.
রাধিক মা চাইছেন
Just like that widow,
আব্রাহাম চাইছেন
just like Abraham.
আব্রাহাম সাকে চুমো রিখবিয়া
Abraham has only one child, Isaac.
আপনি পান্ডা চিনি স্পিকার সাউ যত সে পারো জনসংখ্যা বাংলা চিনি আব্রাহাম বংশ যত সে মানে পৃথিবীর জনসংখ্যার 12 ইন্ডিয়া বাংলা আরে দেখো আব্রাহাম দুশো ইয়া দেখা আব্রাহাম আশীর্বাদ যাবে
Okay.
মানে ঈশ্বর আশীর্বাদে আব্রাহাম সাকে হেন রিখম দিয়া নি বংশ তুই মানে হাজিং দে ইনো খাসাকানা আতু যত ইন্ডিয়া